In this video, I will briefly go over all the different channels that are available now to our subscribers. Because we now have a lot, I want to explain every single one and how it could benefit our traders. So to start with, again, this is from almost 2 years ago now, the same exact thing. The daily levels after Globex opens, sometime after 6 p.m. Eastern, I post buy and sell levels. So these are targets, right? These are targets, and I post that for 7 futures markets. I might discontinue the euro as there seems to be not too much demand for the euro. As of right now, it's still here, but just a heads up, I might discontinue it. So the way this works, after I post it in Discord, we have an indicator that plots them on the chart, right? So it plots the buy level, the sell level, and the midpoint. And so the target from below the midpoint is the sell level, which the Nasdaq just hit. Okay, so that's an example. This is the Russell, did not hit anything yet. This is the YM, slightly down in oil. The gold is right on top of the midpoint, so there is nothing I can do here. And S&P, which right now missed the sell level just by a little bit. So this is how the whole thing got started. The buy and sell levels for various futures markets. Then there is the trade indications channel. This is specifically for the S&P and the Nasdaq. Sometime before the US session opens, I post key levels for these two markets and the direction that the market should go, bullish or bearish, depending on where price is in relation to the key levels that I post. Now, this is very exciting. A bit over a month ago, a good friend of mine and a mentor of mine joined our community. He has his own channel, Markets with Gil. Most of the time, he gives very clear, precise, and scary accurate levels and actual trade setups for S&P and the Nasdaq. Sometimes he will talk about gold and oil, but for the most part, it's the S&P and the Nasdaq. The members absolutely love him. Over 30 years of trading experience. He did it all, and now he is with us. Very, very happy to have him be part of our community. And again, just check out his channel. He does amazing work every single day. I mean, you can see all the excitement around them. Super accurate with entries, stops, targets, forecasts, the whole bit. And by the way, unlike me, I do not teach. I don't have the time. He actually teaches. He has students. As a matter of fact, he has a channel for his students, those who decide to learn his particular methodology. He is very selective, so those who are interested in learning from him would have to contact him directly. I really have no information. He will have a conversation with you, and then the two of you will decide together if his approach is a good fit. About 2 months ago, I started a channel called High Probability Setups, and here I find a particular setup for a market. So again, it could be any one of the markets that I cover in the daily levels channel. Whatever sets up, I post, and I actually passed an evaluation and now trading a funded account using only signals from this channel. And you can find this. This is available to the public. Every day that I trade, I post my rhythmic dashboard with the results and whatever screenshots I can take from the signals that are in the high probability setups channel. I take these trades. So again, it's going back all the way to the evaluation of the 150K account. I also have videos of this evaluation pretty much day by day on my channel, so you can take a look on my YouTube channel. Right now it is a funded account, and I started it at 150,000. Now the balance is somewhere in 165 or something like that. The prop firm that I am with for this account requires 30 trading days. So even though I meet the minimum requirement for a payout, I still have to do a number of trading days to qualify for a payout. But that's all right because I just grow my account. That's my approach anyway. So yeah, all these trades are from the high probability setups channel. That's this one. These trades are designed to be scalping trades. However, very often they result in pretty big moves. So my advice to maybe newer traders is to just grab a scalp. However, if you're able to trail price, if you have the skills necessary or the account necessary, let's say, to do that, then some of these moves end up being pretty big. So a very similar channel is HPS 24/7. So these setups are very similar to the regular high probability setups. However, these are for Globex, which is why they're named 24/7. So this is for traders who in a time zone where they can trade what I would consider to be overnight. I am United States Eastern Standard Time. So for me, what would be overnight for me and time when I might not be interested to trade, if someone is able to trade during those times, that's what this channel is for. And again, it could be anywhere from just one to maybe as many as three signals. For the most part, it ends up being between one and two. But again, these are designed to be scalps. However, very often, depending on volatility during Globex, those can result in pretty big moves. Okay, so as I said, a very brief description of all the channels that we have in Discord now, and the goal remains the same. For our traders to be consistently profitable, you really should have a trading plan, and in that trading plan, you should have a daily profit goal. Do not just keep taking trades, because the way we have everything set up now, there are a lot of opportunities every day. Between markets with Gale channel, which gives constant updates for the S&P, possible trades and setups, to the high probability setups, which most of the time trigger more than once. And of course, the bread and butter, how the whole thing got started, the daily levels, right? Again, below the midpoint short, above the midpoint long, like we see here now in crude. Crude is moving to the upside. So this is what we do. The Discord channel is in the description. We now have the YouTube channel now has 938 subscribers, I believe. Please subscribe. If you're not a subscriber, please leave a like, share the video. I think we can offer a lot to our traders in our group, and we want to help as many traders as we can. Thank you all. See you next time.